gonna have to call this the most economical, most impractical clothes dryer that I've ever built. First, starts off with the heat exchanger. Got that big fire under there. Got a fan right there. Smoke comes out there. See the tube, 200 degrees. Ductwork goes down into the dryer down there. Where I fixed the wheel. That's an old scooter wheel, ground down the fit. And it's working. It's closed inside. I got a rig so you can open it. Heck of a creation. That's all I gotta say. What do you think, folks? Alternative energy. All right.